Now, if I get the partial fraction here on the left and on the right, I actually get the same partial fraction. So here I also get 1 over 2 times s squared plus 1 over 2 times s squared plus 3 right here. And if I take the Laplace inverse of this, what am I going to get? The Laplace inverse, well, I'm going to get x sub 2 of t now. In the t domain, I can say that 1 over 2 goes to the side. And then I want to look at, I have some sort of Laplace table, and I have a 1 over s squared plus something. So plus that something in the Laplace table I have, so let me write it over here. In the Laplace table, I have these two entries. So I have f of t and big F of s. And the f of t in the Laplace table is going to be the cosine. And we're just going to use the sine of kt. With the Laplace transform becomes k over s squared plus k squared. So now that we have this, I can say, well, my k for this first case is square root of 1, which is just 1. So I can just say that this is times the sine of t. And here I'm going to have plus 1/2 times the sine. Okay, well here I need a square root of 3 here, because this is my k squared. But then I can't just multiply by that, I also need to divide by that. So I'm going to have a square root of 3 here. So I'm really going to have 1 over 2 square root of 3 times the sine of square root of 3t. And this, since it's the same expression, is also going to be the same thing. Now, they're not supposed to be the same expression, so there's something that we did incorrectly. And that is the initial condition that I inputted were in the initial conditions that they gave us. So the initial, well, it's just that it was hard to read. You remember how here I said I don't know what this means? These two circles in red. Well, x prime of 2 of 0 should not be 0. X prime of 2 of 0 should be 1. So this was supposed to be 1. And this one was supposed to be -1. But the whole system was done correctly. So this is a proper solution for different initial conditions, the one we inputted. And then I encourage you to do the other ones, so to see if you get the right answer. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time.